Leader of Opposition Mathias Mpuga nsamba ate ekintu kino akitaddemu amaanyi mangi. Nabbanja alina okukomyawo abantu baffe bye yatutegeeza nti babayina era bali nabo. Lwaki abantu baffe bano abatabatuwa oba abatabajjaayo n'abalaga ensi? Mathias Mpuga nsamba ekintu akitadde ku level ndala nnyo ate era ya waggulu nnyo, anti babadde bakyebuzaabuza nga batutegeeza abantu baffe babayina babasoma mu report ne munnange. Ripooti tayeebwa abadde agezaako okugibuzaabuza. Mathias Mpuga nsamba n'agamba nedda bw'abanga Prime Minister yavaayo ku magulu ge abiri misana ttuku n'ategeeza eggwanga nti balina omukulu John Bosco Kibala ffenna gwe tumanyi, musajja wa Katonda yawambibwa myaka 4 okuva kati kubanga yawambibwa omwaka gwa 2019. Mukyala Nabbanja yetanaba nafuuka Prime Minister najja n'ategeeza eggwanga nti bamuyina kaakati tumwagala, oba bamuziika oba bamuteekawa bayina okumutuwa. Era kitaffe Mathias Mpuga nsamba ataddewo amaanyi mangi era ekiri mu Parliament kikabuka. N'olunaku olwaliro Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine avuddeyo n'ategeeza nga Nabbanja bwe yategeeza nti alina muganda waffe John Bosco Kibala eyawambibwa mu 2019 nga ne Nabbanja tanafuna bwa Prime Minister. Bamwagala era abatuwe, era neyebaza nnyo Leader of Opposition okwongeza eddoboozi mu Parliament. Henna ebiri mu Parliament nnaku zino bisanyusa ate era bisikisa. Bw'atyo tayeebwa yasalawo n'okususpendinga ababaka abamu okuli omubaka Francis Zanke, omubaka Honorable Betty Namboze Bakireke, omubaka Joyce Baagala olw'okuba nti yali bamutadde kazito. N'alowooza nti Mathias Mpuga nsamba bino tabyemalire, naye munnange ataddewo akazito. Tukwebaza nnyo muganda waffe Leader of Opposition Mathias Mpuga nsamba, amaanyi g'otaddemu wetwagalira ddala tukulabe nga tutambula bulungi, era twagala okulaba nga emirimu gikwasaganya nga bw'oli mugikwasaganya. Mpozi Nabbanja aveeyo ategeeze eggwanga nti bye nayogera nali nnimba Kibala masimanyi gye yali kubanga ne bwe yawambibwa nali sinafuuka Prime Minister nga simanyi biki bigenda maaso mu ggwanga, baleme kuvangayo buvi basamwasamwe n'ebigambo ng'oluusi tebamaze kwekenneenya. Ng'ennaku olw'eggulo twawulidde General Kayindo Tafiire ng'ategeeza abakulu mu bitongole ebikuuma eddembe okuli Fred Enanga ne omukulu Kuraije nga bategeeza nti basookenga kwekenneenya. Njagala nkuwa embeera nga bw'eri mu Parliament nga kitaffe Mathias Mpuga nsamba ateeka ku Nabbanja akazito.
Appreciate the honourable colleagues who have made inputs in this statement by way of their submissions. I appreciate the concerns of the Honourable Nakut, and I want to invite you to read the list on page 5. You'll see that Obongi is not in Masaka. So we try as much as possible to scan the country. But remember that the perpetrators also undertake cover-up of their tracks. And therefore, that's why in my statement, not necessarily by what we're inviting Parliament, I'm inviting members of Parliament to be alive to the troubles in this country. I can understand where my brother, the Honorable Kajurenge, is coming from. That's why we'll speak in whispers about injustice, but not bring them here, and he's expecting me to do his job. I invite you, Honorable Comrade, to rise to the occasion. I'll defend your right to defend your position day and night. I'll defend your right to be what you want to be. And I'll be the last person to accept anyone to mistreat you for your beliefs. So I invite you to be alive. Don't speak in whispers. If the violators are your neighbors, come and speak about it here. Please don't speak in whispers. Honorable Jessica, I'll look out for the dictionary meaning of the word respect, so that I can understand how a government is respected in the face of injustice. I can promise you, I'll look for it. I want to thank the Reverend Father Onen You see, this is about our country. There are reasons why you were initially a priest and now in Parliament. You have your peace. And because priests receive deeper training must be followed by deeper knowledge. We can really speak over these issues with a clear understanding of where we're coming from. Honourable Speaker, I wanted to respond to those honourable members with the utmost respect to understand where these matters are. And we need to understand why the minority, quote unquote, would speak and demand for justice. And I agree there should be reconciliation. Reconciliation starts with justice. Don't simply say, let's reconcile why you get away with injustice. Honourable Speaker, you have invited the minister and offered them 30 days. Honest, right, Honourable Speaker? 30 days is actually allow them to go and even cover up more. We're talking about people in detention for 4 years without trial. And the Minister for Internal Affairs is hiding behind sub judice as if the Constitution was deleted. The Minister is a lawyer like myself. He's aware of what happens when there's no trial after 365 days. And he's telling us sub judice. I have supplied information as to the military vehicles that knock down people deliberately. He wants me to go and look for them. And in his 30 days, look for his officers, right, Honourable Speaker? The minister, Kaja talked about, we have talked about some of these issues. We are demanding for 18 disappeared persons. What did you talk about to them? So what did you say about the 18 missing persons? So that we can go or give you 30 days to come back and speak about them. So the Honourable Minister and the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister says he knows where Kibala is and she needs 30 days. Right, Honourable Speaker? So, right, Honourable Speaker, I want to thank you for your patience, because these are the reasons why we are here. Whether we have 30 bills to pass. Just an example, right, Honourable Speaker. I talked about it in my statement that in order to respond to the cries of fishermen in the fishing communities, we enacted a law that offered them protection. But after, even when the law is in place, they are still being hunted like aliens. And the minister wants 30 days? Right, Honourable Speaker, we have reported here severally that fishing is being undertaken by government officials, including ministers. It's on the Hansard that one of the ministers bears boats with the name Wacha Waseme. They were initially in blue color, they are now in black color. Same people, right, Honourable Speaker? With due respect and with the indulgence, they don't need 30 days, they need next week to report on action taken on this. At the beginning of this time, right, Honourable Speaker, I asked for 1 minute. I had to listen and support over 10 families of the missing persons to pay school fees for their children. And the minister wants 30 days. I asked the Honourable Prime Minister that I escort her to go and see Kibala. I'm here. And she needed 30 days. And I want to put it to her that the blood of Kibala, if he's dead, is on your hands.
No, right, Honourable Prime Minister, respect the House. When you enter the House, you first sit, and then
No, you see, Assuming she had a gun.
Thank you. Colleagues.
Can I conclude, Honourable Speaker?
Thank you.
Let me conclude, Right Honourable Speaker. And the Right Honourable Speaker, that is the leader of government business and her demeanour. And assuming she had a gun in this room, she would be shooting all of us.
Prime Minister will respond. I'll give the Prime Minister a chance to
The Prime Minister will respond after producing Kibala to this country.
Thank you. Lop, thank you.
Right Honourable Speaker, with due respect.
Point of order. Let's allow a point of order. Honourable colleagues, let's listen to one another.
Right Honourable Speaker and colleagues, in the year 2022, you chaired a meeting, which meeting was attended by the leader of opposition. Where I was, we brought the report. You chaired that meeting. The second meeting was chaired by the Speaker herself. And we all agreed that I present a report on this floor. We came, uploaded a report. The Honourable Speaker, at the time of presentation, my brother here said they were not ready. And therefore, since that time, that report is with you as Parliament. Is this brother of mine in order to insinuate that I have Kibarama?
Honourable colleagues, let's...
Right Honourable Speaker.
Honourable colleagues, please, let's listen.
Right Honourable Speaker, you are aware that the Electoral Commission released the roadmap. And so, our brothers in the opposition think they can use Parliament, to shout, to show the public. Right Honourable Speaker, is it in order for our brothers and sisters on the opposition to use the platform of Parliament to, become, by the way, you are becoming something different. You are becoming something different. We are here for the common good of everybody in the country. Right Honourable Speaker, is the human rights only in the Buganda Sam region? Right Honourable Speaker, I now request you to prevail over our brothers on the opposite side. The point of order I'm bringing, is it in order for my brother? Please allow me to present. Is it in order for my brother
thank you,
to
right
keep insinuating that I have the blood of Chibarama, I have what? When in actual sense, I'm not a security person. Is it in order?
Thank you. You see, honourable colleagues, I have consulted a few leaders outside Parliament, and I've also read through the answered how some of these cases used to be handled and all that. I think the best way, number one, the leader of government business and the leader of opposition, you need to start talking outside Parliament. Listen, I have checked how the ratings Subambi was doing it with Professor Atigo. I have checked. I'm told times have changed. But when you talk, because look, when you talk, you can't fail to get an answer. You even respect each other. What I'm seeing here, we are going to end up having disrespect. I request from both sides, okay? I have a duty of presiding over this house. Please have respect for each other. Prime Minister have respect, colleagues have respect. Let us have respect. Because you see, we have been peaceful. Now, but now, the Prime Minister, see, what
Kiri mu parliament. Yes, Nabbanja oyina omusaayi gwa Kibalama ku ngalo zo, n'obwoneekaza n'obwoneekangabiriza n'obwona okola ki ekigambo gwe wakyogera nti Kibalama mumuyina. Kakati eggwanga lyagala kutegeera Kibalama ali waggulu, watusuubiza emisana tuku nti mumuyina ate tokyayagala bamwogereko. Ng'ekyokuba nti oyina omusaayi gwa Kibalama mu ngalo kikulumye nnyo. Kikulumye nnyo bannange. Kiki aha, gamba abakulu abo abakola ebikolobero by'okuwamba abaana b'eggwanga, by'okutta abaana b'eggwanga, bagambeko bakendeeze. Tewali agenda kubaako na buzibu, naye tekigenda kuvaawo nti bannayuganda bakimanyi bulungi nti muyina abantu baabwe era mubakwese, temwagala ani bagambako. Tuli mu parliament baganda bange, mikwano gyange, leero bano bagenda kifeesinga anti bukyanga bagamba akalyanga kaddadda. Kakati Nabbanja toyina kyotugamba, bannayuganda wabagamba gwe wabasuubiza nti muyina muganda waffe John Bosco Kibalama, kati ate lwaki temumutuwa? Taye bwagezaako okwekangabiriza, naye ffe tuli bagumu nnyo kubanga eggwanga lyaffe tulyetaaga, ate ne bannayuganda beetaaga ofuna eggwanga lyabwe. Tetugenda kutiisibwa, tetugenda kutya, tetugenda gaanibwa kwogera kituufu. Bw'obanga bavaayo n'obyogera, olina kyokuba nti lipooti gye watuwanga bannayuganda ntuufu, kubanga oli muntu munene nnyo mu ggwanga lino. Si tolina tokkirizibwa kuvaayo kumala gwogera bintu by'otategeera. Bw'obanga wali owuddisa ggwanga n'ojja n'oyogera nti Kibalama mumuyina ate nga temumuyina, kati kifeesinge ogenda kukiwulira, ogenda kukitegeera, era ensi ogenda gisasula, ensi ogenda kugitegeera nti nno bannayuganda be balina se esembayo ku ggwanga lyabwe, era ojja tuwa abantu baffe.